You know, I don't like wearing gloves, but when I do, it's always for a reason. Let me show you this one. So, customer brought me this phone. He said he cannot charge it. So when you plug in, see, it's not charging. But check this out. I don't know how people live like this. Look at that. How gross is this? Looks like stain. See, like my gloves even stays on it. Look at that. This is unbelievable. What is this? Looks like pizza or DNA. I'm gonna clean the frame. I have to. Then I can get the charging port so we can replace the charging port. You didn't want to be on the camera. You know why, right? Look at this. Ew. This is so gross. Like I cannot even tell what is this. Anybody knows? Comment. Look at the screen protector. Fingerprint everywhere. Might have to remove that too. Let's get in there. This is so gross. Port, oh my gosh. This is why it's not working, because it's broken. Because he couldn't charge it because of the dirt. Alright, we're gonna change the charging port. there is something on there. Even inside. Look at that. We're gonna replace this one. So this, you can tell it got wet too. It's supposed to be this color, turned to red, so it got wet. I put in the new one. I remove the skin protector too. So we have to clean this. The camera, you cannot even see anything on the camera. Now it's good. So probably that skin protector was on here for 5 years. Got a line in there, but there is no skin protector in here. When I remove it. Get in there, get in there. Time to clean this case. Get the inside. Ew. And he said he cleaned it 2 weeks ago. Stop the cat. If you cleaned this 2 weeks ago, you don't even look like this. That's the tomato of the pizza. See the DNA? See the hair, right? The hair was stuck inside the case. Like, what's so hard to clean your case? Look at this. Yeah. This is so gross. And it stinks so bad. You have no idea. The smell of it. Cannot even describe how. The moment you all have been waiting. Your phone is ready, sir. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Can I get a wow? Woo! And let's charge this. It's charging now. And the case. Everything